Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good and staying safe. In this video, I will be sharing how to manage time while preparing for such good parties, and also will be sharing recipe for one dessert, that is fruit cream perfect and chicken curry recipe. Both are new on my channel. I will be giving a very quick and easy recipe here. Sure, watch the video till the end. All the preparations I started from previous day morning itself. I am preparing sheikh kebab. Many times I have given this recipe on my channel. I prepared this sheikh kebab masala early in the morning. Then later I started making sheikh kebabs. In this video I am showing how you can use popsicle sticks for making sheikh kebab if you don't have sheikh kebab skewers. One thing I forgot to do is keeping these popsicle sticks in the water for a little while so that they will be easily removing the sheikh kebabs after they are cooked. So you can see how easily I have prepared using these popsicle sticks same way, and also I will show you two different other ways you can make these sheikh kebab. In my previous video, the tutorial for sheikh kebab, I have shown you on stove top tawa. These popsicles I have used air fryer. In air fryer I made it in bake mode. Just for 5 to 10 minutes is more than enough. Only before the party I will be cooking once again. So previous day itself I have cooked everything. This extra sheikh kebab mix I have prepared for my daily use, which I will be baking it also and keeping it in the freezer. You have seen how I keep it in the fridge or in the freezer in my tutorial itself. Now see how easily these all popsicle sheikh kebabs have come out from the top and from the bottom. You have to just little bit scrape it and push it up and down and slide it out. It will easily come. When it is hot itself, you remove off. You don't leave it so that it will stick to the sticks. These popsicles I used just because it is the right size of sheikh kebab for any party to be served for each and every individual. This size of sheikh kebabs will be very nice. This long and big ones I prepared it for my house daily use, so I will be freezing them. You can keep this also for party, but those will be very nice and easy to handle. This is very new recipe. Very easily you can make chicken curry. I have just taken chicken with bones. To that I have added enough yogurt, salt. I have added ginger garlic paste, green chili paste, lemon juice, turmeric powder, garam masala powder and pepper powder. That's all. Few ingredients only, not too many spices also I have added. If you don't have green chili paste, go with 5 to 6 green chilies. Just chop it and add it. Nicely give it a good mix and marinate it overnight. Previous day itself I marinated this also. Most of my work was done previous day itself till night. Even the salads will stay fresh in your fridge for 2 days also, no worries. Previous day itself I have cut all the salad. That is a simple salad only. It is cucumber and tomatoes. I have taken cherry tomatoes this time. These are very sweet tomatoes. I am not going to cut them also. I will just simply add these tomatoes, wash them and add it in the salad. Next I will be adding lettuce. Lettuce I will be chopping them and adding in it. Lettuce is the great way of making your salad double, and the taste will also double. Not only the quantity will be double, the taste will be ultimate with iceberg lettuce. Now next is our final work for the previous day, that is making jelly. I needed jelly for my fruit cream perfect recipe. That is the dessert I am going to prepare for next day. So I have taken two flavors. One is orange and the other is the strawberry. Both the flavors are very tasty and the smell also will be very nice. You know orange flavor and strawberry also, little bit of tanginess and sweetness both together. Now next day morning you can see the weather. It is fully foggy. Here in Canada, every day the weather will be something different, either foggy, windy or snowy or very frost like just dry. That weather will be every day different. Now let's get started with our work. First thing I did was chop the onions. For all the recipes together, I have chopped the onions for biryani, for chicken and for raita. This food processor, every time I will appreciate and I will share my review. It is awesome. So much onions you can see. I will just chop them in no time. 5 minutes only for chopping the onions. After chopping the onions, first thing I made was the biryani curry. You know, every time how will I make? I will make in my Instapot. Just mix the meat with the yogurt salt and the masala. I will share the link of nice biryani recipe in the description box. You can check there. Today I will not share the recipe for biryani. Like this you will mix it, and very less time only it will take. Very soon I have just prepared the biryani masala, mix it with the mutton. This is mutton biryani I am going to prepare, and I will just leave it in the Instapot. Only 9 to 10 minutes it will get cooked easily. This mutton for biryani I prepared in the morning, but I will add the rice only late afternoon. For chicken masala, I have just added enough oil, and the marinated chicken which we marinated last night, I am adding it to that. That's it. In the mixer jar, I have taken 1 large tomato and little bit of onions I fried and added, kaju, that is cashew, poppy seeds and coconut milk powder. Add little water and nicely grind it into fine paste and add it to the chicken. That's all. Our chicken is very much ready. Just check the salt alone. Spices and all I am not going to add too much. This curry, everybody was asking the recipe. It was so nice. After all this, I just cooked that chicken on medium low flames for half an hour. That's it. Now you can see I am preparing raita. Onions, only onion raita it is. In that I just added my mint cubes which I freezed in my previous videos. The recipe is there. I have added homemade yogurt. You would have seen how thick it is. Nicely give it a good mix and keep it in the morning itself. This is all ready. Rice also I have soaked. It's almost mid-morning, like brunch time it is. I will just take a break having a coffee. Definitely take a break, relax. Only making biryani, chicken curry, and almost biryani masala is ready. Chicken is also ready. Raita is ready. So I am going to sit and have a relaxed coffee time. Then I am coming for my fruit cream perfect recipe. Closely watch the recipe. I have taken 1 liter of heavy whipping cream. For that I am going to give the flavor of mixed fruit flavor. In this you can also give pineapple flavor or just simply vanilla flavor also will be nice, but I am giving mixed fruit. See, for whipping cream, for every 2 to 3 minutes you should increase the speed. That's how the perfect whipping cream will be formed. Nice stiff peaks. Almost for 8 to 10 minutes I did this, and in between I am just adding powdered sugar. Definitely add powdered sugar, that too bought from store. That will have a little bit of corn flour starch also, that will give nice body to your whipping cream. Do not add the granulated sugar. That's it. Our heavy whipping cream is now nicely whipped, and our cream for the base is very much ready. This dessert also you can prepare it and keep previous day itself, but I know I have enough time. All my other preparations I have done previous day itself, so this I can do in the afternoon when I am free. For keeping my work light, I have just taken canned fruits. You can also choose to take fresh fruits at home. Usually I use fresh fruits, but today I have taken canned fruit. This is mixed cocktail fruits. In that there are so many other fruits, but to give a little bit extra color, I added the grapes of 2 different color, that is red and green grapes. See, can you see so many fruits together in this whipping cream? And sugar also very mild only I have given. Generally for whipping cream, little sugar only will be nice. Too much sugary whipping cream won't be nice. You would have seen only 2 scoops I added. Now the last and final product I am going to add in this is the cake. Any flavor of your choice you can choose. I have taken plain vanilla cake. pound cake it is. I am just going to give it a nice good mix. You can add as much as you want. This is going to give nice body to your whipping cream. This perfect is going to be perfect by adding this cake. Now last night itself we have prepared this jelly. Nicely cut this jelly into small pieces that will be very easy to handle while making. Now I am going to use these transparent glasses for serving this perfect. Generally fruit cream perfect is always served in these type of transparent glasses. You see, I am preparing a piping bag to make my job look neat and clean. You can always do with a spoon also. I want to keep the sides very neat and clean. Also, one more important reason why I prepared it in the glass, I will tell in the end. Sure, keep watching till the end. Like this, one layer of fruit cream and one layer of jelly. And jelly, if you have multiple colors and flavors, it will be interesting. You can also choose to have same color or different colors or triple color also. It's your choice. On top, I am just adding the grapes itself. If you have cherry, it's cherry on top. Like this, after preparing all these glasses, I just covered it with cling foil and kept it in the fridge. It was so easy, nice, chill and refreshing dessert. Definitely everybody check for this recipe. I will also post this recipe separately in couple of days so that it will be easy for you to follow only that recipe if needed. Now at 4 to 4:30 I prepared the rice. And I'm just combining the rice and mutton curry which we prepared in the morning itself and just mixing it, and I will be preparing it in oven dum. Just you can see I'm assembling everything, and this is turkey roast tray. It's a very heavy bottom tray. Very nicely the biryani will be on dum. For chicken curry, I bought these Stonefire naans from Costco itself. They are nice, soft and tasty ones. Just I kept this dum for 35 minutes. Last 5 minutes, I put this naan also inside this dum itself. And I'm just going to splash some butter over this naan, cut it and wrap it in the aluminum foil and put it back in the oven itself, so that it will stay warm until you serve. If you like my videos and these all tips and tricks are very informative, do sure consider subscribing to my channel Live Tasty Be Happy. Now this recipe and all I am not sharing. This is khatta baingan, that is the brinjal curry for biryani. This was also very tasty. This I prepared couple of days back itself because it is pickle like process. It is more it marinates, it will be nice. And these shami kebabs also I prepared couple of days or 3 days back itself and freezed it. Everything has to be freezed and kept easily in the evening. 5 to 5:30 all my work was done. You can see even I fried shami kebabs. Even our sheikh kebabs are out to go in the air fryer for one more time. That's it. Everything is ready and I kept everything inside the oven. This is how you can manage your time by making, if it is one man show, that too. You are only person doing things means you can do this way and keep. See, I have taken a nice big tray in which I will be pouring out all the salad which we have cut and kept, that is cucumber, tomatoes and lettuce. And on the other side I will be just laying down some lettuce leaves. This all will give extra special look to your table. Definitely try. Same way even for shami kebab and these cutlets also. My friend also made some cutlets and brought, and you can layer with lettuce and place all these things that will make your table more special and look special. See, even that khatta baingan is ready, our shami kebab is ready, sheikh kebabs are ready. Like this, everything, time management is very important. This is how I prepared all things ahead of time and was very much ready before my guests arrived. Relaxed 1 to 2 hours. I was feeling so comfortable before everybody come. So planning and preparing is very, very important. So do take care of good time management. You can do it. Everybody can do it. Biryani was also very, very tasty, extremely beautiful look of the biryani. Each and every grain was not sticking to each other, and the colors you can see, orange, yellow, and the natural color of the biryani itself, it was very, very beautiful. Every time biryani is a showstopper in any party. Biryani was ultimate, and for this chicken curry, all kids and elders, everybody loved the chicken curry, and especially even the fruit cream perfect. Very, very perfect recipe, and it's an awesome dessert for this kind of party. And I told at the end I will share one more reason for preparing the fruit cream perfect in glass. One, the perfects are always prepared in glasses only, and this glass I prepared, I know there are innumerable varieties in our table today. All will feel full, and it's night time. If they want to carry their dessert along with them, they can easily carry it to their house and relish it next day also. So preparing dessert of this kind in small glasses in small portion is less messy and also easy to handle. Hope I was able to share easy tips and tricks and also time management while preparing for such large parties with innumerable variety of dishes. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel Live Tasty Be Happy. Soon I'll be back with another awesome recipe or a vlog. Until then, stay safe, take care and goodbye.